It is also a one type of special fibers which is implemented from the fluorocarbon fibers. What is mean by, first of all we have to introduce the carbon fibers. Carbon fibers have high tensile fibers or whisker made by an heating rayon, or polyacrylonitrile fibers or petroleum residues to appropriate temperatures. Fibers may be 7 to 8 microns in diameter and are more than 90% carbonized. These fibers are stiffest and strongest reinforcing fibers. For polymer composites, the most used after glass fibers made of pure carbon in the form of graphite. They have low density and negative coefficient of longitudinal thermal expansion. Carbon fibers are very expensive and can give galvanic corrosion in contact with metals. They are generally used together with epoxy, where high strength and stiffness are required. That is called as race cars, automotive and space applications, sport equipment. Manufacturing process of carbon fibers. Manufacturing process of carbon fibers are two types, PAN and pitch. PAN is known as a polyacrylonitrile and pitch is called as a pitch. PAN contains highly polar CN groups that are randomly arranged on either side of chain. Carbon filaments are wet spun from a solution of PAN and stretched at an elevated temperature, during which the polymer chains are aligned in the filament direction. Then the filaments are heated at 200 to 300 degrees for a few hours. PAN contains high polycular CN groups that are randomly arranged on either side of the chain. Carbon filaments are wet spun from a solution of PAN stretched for an elevated temperature, during which the polymer chains are aligned in the filament directions. This is the structure of carbon fibers, that is the PAN structure, and this is the carbon ions and this hydrogen ions. At this stage, CN groups are located from side by side, combined to form a more stable and rigid ladder-like structure, and some of the CH2 groups are oxidized. In the next stage, the PAN filaments are carbonized by heating at a controlled rate. Between 1000 to 2000 centigrades is an inert atmosphere. Tension is maintained on the filaments to prevent shrinkage and to improve molecular orientation. Subsequently, the carbonized filaments are heated above, which their structure becomes more oriented and turns towards a true graphite, with increasing heat treatment temperatures. At this stage, graphite filaments attain a high tensile modulus, but their tensile strength may be relatively low. Tensile strength can be increased by hot stretching above 2000 centigrades. From pitch. Pitch is an byproduct of petroleum refining, and it is lower cost raw material than PAN. The carbon atoms in pitch are arranged in low molecular weight atomic ring patterns. Heating to temperature above 300 polymerizes these molecules into long two-dimensional sheet-like structure. The highly viscous state of pitch at this stage is called mesophase. Pitch filaments are produced by melting spinning the mesophase pitch through a spinnerette. The filaments are cooled to freeze the molecular orientation and heated between 200 to 300 in oxygen temperature to stabilize them and make them infusible. In the next step, the filaments are carbonized at 2000 degrees centigrade. The rest of process transferring the structure to graphite form is similar to that followed for PAN precautions. Classification of carbon fibers based on three types. One is carbon fiber properties, fiber materials, and final heat treatment at temperatures. From advanced fiber properties, ultra high modulus types, high modular types, intermediate modulus types, low modulus high tensile types, super high tensile types. Based on the fiber materials classified into PAN based carbon fibers, pitch based carbon fibers, mesophase pitch-based carbon fibers, isotropic pitch-based carbon fibers, rayon-based carbon fibers, gas phase grown carbon fibers. Based on final heat treatment temperature, carbon fibers are classified into heat temperature carbon fibers, where final heat treatment temperature should be above, can be associated with high modulus type fibers. Intermediate heat treatment carbon fibers, where final treatment temperatures should be around or above 1500 degrees, can be associated with high strength type fibers. Low heat treatment carbon fibers, where final heat treatment temperatures not greater than 1000 degrees centigrade. These are low modulus and low strength materials. Characteristics properties of carbon fibers: physical strength, specific toughness, lightweight, good vibration damping strength and toughness, high dimensional stability, low coefficient of thermal expansion and low abrasion, electrical conductivity, biological internals and X-ray permeability, fatigue resistance, self lubrications, high damping, electromagnetic properties, chemical inheritance, high corrosion resistance. Applications of carbon fibers are given as shortly: airsports, road and marine transport, sporting goods, missiles, aircraft brakes, aerospace, antenna and support structures like telescopes, optical benches, waveguides for stable high frequency, precision measurements and audio equipments, automobile hooks, castings, basings, shielding brushes, medical applications in prosthetic surgeries and X-ray equipments, implants, tending, ligament repair, textile machinery, general engineering, automobiles, knowing tools, castings, basics. Conclusion: the carbon fibers is sometimes used in conjunction with fiberglass because of their similar manufacturing process. An example of this would be carbonate 046, where the front end is carbon fibers and the rear is fiberglass. Carbon fiber is, however, far stronger and lighter than fiberglass. Carbon fibers can be found in a wide range of performance vehicles, including sports cars, superbikes, pedal bikes, power boats, and it is often used in the tuning and customizing industry, where attractive oven panels are left unpainted to show off the material. So this is about the carbon fibers. Thank you.